This presentation, which I title Making Money in Cryptocurrency Investment. Cryptocurrency is the in thing in this age. People are making real cool money investing into cryptocurrency, and so can you. There are so many ways to invest in cryptocurrency, but the one that I discovered to be a very good way is investing in the Bank of Tron. Bank of Tron offers 3.7 to 6.7% rate on investment per day. And if you look at their website, there are 4 packages. The first package offers 2.7 to 3.7% per day. And that is a contract that lasts for 79 days. And the total revenue it will generate is 286.8%. The second package is the package that gives you 3.7% to 4.7%. The number of days that investment lasts is 48 days. And the total return on your investment is 220%. The third package is the package that gives you 4.7 to 5.7% per day. And that investment lasts for 28 days. The total returns for that is 154.1%. And the last one is 5.7 to 6.7%. And that one lasts for only 20 days. And the total investment it brings back to you is 128.5%. This Bank of Tron is known to be very faithful. If you invest in it, you will make money. I've invested in it and I thank God. So try it out. Check their link in the description box. Make sure you follow that link. That is my link. Register today and I'm sure you will be glad you did. But remember, cryptocurrency investment cryptocurrency world is a very volatile world. To invest the money that you know you can afford. Do not borrow money to invest in cryptocurrency. It's very volatile. Thank you for listening. I'll see you in another video. And please subscribe to this channel. If you have not subscribed, we constantly send messages and videos that shows you how to profit with cryptocurrency. So hit the subscribe button and click the bell so that when new videos are uploaded, you will be first to hear. Thank you very much. See you in our next video.